best form of exercise. It takes a lot away. It takes a lot of stress. What am I saying? Hello everyone, what's up? This is Mickey and welcome back again to Mickey's Street IGTV vlog. It's been a while since I posted something on my IGTV, and today is a special day because I am going to show you some things that I usually do when I'm at the farm. So stick around. So I just arrived. It's a 20-minute walk from our house to the farm. So as you can see, I'm sweating like a pig, but it doesn't matter because getting here is the best form of exercise. I'm actually losing weight. Someone told me that uh, I lost weight. It's because every day I walk from our house to here. So it's a 20-minute back and forth. It's actually 40 minutes. So yeah, but it doesn't matter. As I've said, it's the best form of exercise. It's good for our mental health. Just thinking a lot of things while you are walking, you get to focus on a lot of important matters. So, welcome to my humble abode, and I'm going to take you to a tour, not just in my house, but around. So, see you. So, welcome to my humble kitchen. So, this is my dapug, and this is where I prepare my meal. So, since I just arrived, the first thing that I actually do as soon as I arrive is to prepare my breakfast. So, this morning I just have pandesal and coffee. So, I'm too lazy to eat, and I just packed my lunch, so I don't need to prepare the fire and cook. So yeah, this is where everything gets busy because I love eating. So this is where the messy things happen. So I have my hot pandesal and I have my coffee. So it's time for breakfast. So what I'm gonna do is just sit around, looking around, and munching my bread and sipping my coffee. So I just finished my breakfast and I'm going to have a rest for a while, and after that I'm going to go down to the shallow well or bubon and gather water and take a bath. Actually, the bubon is my favorite place, and I don't take a bath at home. I just bring my shirt and stuff and take a bath at the shallow well. It's been my favorite place since we were kids. We go down there and do the laundry or take a bath. So it's always an interesting time for me, even up to now. So I'll show you around later what the bubon looks like and how I enjoy taking a bath with the fresh water, refreshing water, and yeah. So see you around. The well is oh 5 minutes. Oh, less than 5 minutes. So, but the path here is medyo madalam. And it's limestone, so it's slippery. So I really need to walk slowly and carefully. And the plants and trees are growing fast here. So this is what you see before reaching my house. It's a woody path. Welcome to Labubon. So this is where we take a bath, do the laundry, and gather water. This is where the Igwag people go when they gather water or do the laundry or take a bath. It's been in existence, well, probably before I was born. So it's already there. And there are some stories which my folks tell me regarding this place. So yeah, and today I'm going to, the usual thing that I do is to gather water and take a bath. So before going there, you must cross that bamboo bridge first. Trivia: I once fell from this bamboo bridge just recently. This is where I fell. Yes, and no one knew about it. My back. And right now, every Friday I spend the time together with the kids here, and I kind of feed them. So that's every Friday. So yesterday was Friday. I wasn't able to be with them, and today I'm going to do so. So we are going to the barrio and buy food. So it's starting to be customary that every Friday or every weekend I feed the kids. So, and that's actually what they're looking forward to. So yeah, we're going to the barrio and probably buy some ice cream. So that's about it, and I'm on my way to the house, back to the house at the barrio, and it's been a very productive day. Actually, the whole afternoon I spent the time with the kids, and yeah, there's a lot of realizations, and this is something to be pondered upon. So thank you guys for joining me, and see you next time.